today, just a little less mundane. Oh.
Seat number 3A.
Okay. Thank you.
If you make a mistake, so this apple around.
Okay.
Are you only one?
Yes, only one. Thank you. We survived. Oh my goodness. Good morning, guys. So it's currently 4:09 and naka-ready na tayo for Mount Fuji. But before tayo umalis, discuss ko muna kung ano yung mga prinasas ko before yung climb natin. So currently guys, may bago ng rules si Mount Fuji. Bawal na yung bullet climbing. So plan ko talaga is magbu-bullet climb lang. Kaya lang tinanggal nila yon. So bawal na siya ngayon. Si Mount Fuji, meron siyang different trails. But since solo climb tayo ngayon, wala tayong kasama, wala tayong guide. Just to be safe, ang kinuha ko is si Yoshida Trail. Well, kasi nga, yun yung easiest, yun yung pinakamaraming tao din. Just in case kung mangyari, at least marami masyadong dumadaan doon, makikita tayo. Now, for Mount Fuji, yung pinaka-economical talaga, kung gusto nyo magtipid, since wala na yung bullet climbing, pwede kayong mag-day hike. So, for day hike, dapat akyat kayo by morning and then baba kayo by afternoon. So, kaya naman yun kung physically fit talaga kayo. And then, the other one is overnight climb. So, for overnight climb, bali required mag-reserve ng mountain hut. So, for mountain hut, actually, madali siyang mapuno. So, nag-book ako last May 3 pa for an August 24 climb. Yung best na mountain hut talaga is yung pinakamalapit sa summit. But, the problem is, mabilis siyang mapuno. So, the second best na mountain hut is kung ano yung mabook mo. So, in my case, guys, May 3, nag-open si Kamaywakan Mountain Hut. So, ito is nasa 7th station. So, doon tayo sa second best na mountain hut, which is kung ano yung nabook mo. Unlike dun sa Mount Kinabalu na like separate beds talaga. Naka-double deck, then separate bed per person. For Mount Fuji is hindi ganon. Halos tabi-tabi talaga kayo ng higaan and then yung partition is curtains. So, yun yung usual na scenario sa mga mountain hut. But in this case, for Kamaywakan, pag-open niya, nakakuha ako ng private capsule for single person. So, it's a bit expensive. But, well, once in a lifetime. So, it cost 19,100 yen. Equivalent siya that time to 7,579.91. That's with Japanese curry rice dinner na merong outlet, sleeping mat, sleeping bag, and pillow. Tapos, may access to Western-style toilets. So, guys, wala tong breakfast. So, yung ibang mountain hut, significantly lower yung price niya and then meron silang breakfast. But for this one, wala. But it's okay. Kasi nga, private single capsule. Tingnan natin kung sulit siya. So, May 3, 2025 po siya na-book via Japan Mountain Huts. Isa siyang site, guys, na nandoon yung ibang mga mountain huts na pwede kayo mag-reserve. Yung ibang mountain huts, actually Japanese na website sila. So, pahirapan din. But for this one, madali lang si Japan Mountain Huts. And then, guys, hindi siya like sabay-sabay nag-o-open. Actually, mas unang nag-o-open yung nasa lower na mga stations compared sa Station 8. Kung gusto nyong i-wait yung higher na stations mag-open, baka mamaya like fully booked din siya. So, like, pili na lang kayo. Gusto nyo ba yung sure na makakabook kayo? Or gusto nyo mag-take ng risk? So, it's up to you guys. For me, sinigurado ko na yung mountain hut. Another one is, meron na silang entry fee payment. So, dati kasi wala. But ngayon, gusto nilang i-limit yung umaakyat para maiwasan yung traffic kasi medyo madami talagang umaakyat kay Mount Fuji, especially sa Yoshida Trail. So, ngayon meron na silang entry fee payment na 4,000 per person. For this one, sinasabi dito na pwede ka ding magbayad online. May limit na 4,000 people per day si Mount Fuji. So, recommended na yung entry fee is bayaran mo na ahead of time. Pwede mo siyang bayaran online, but kasi sa mga may Mountain Hut reservation, okay lang na doon na. And another issue is kapag nag-close si Mount Fuji, well, hindi si Mount Fuji, yung daanan papunta sa Mount Fuji. So, hindi ka makakaakyat. And then, since hindi ka makakaakyat, yung binayad mo online, pwede nilang i-refund. Kaya lang, ayokong mag-go through that hassle. Meron kasing note dito na climbers with a Mountain Hut reservation are guaranteed access to a permit to Mount Fuji. So, okay lang din na doon na tayo magbayad. Sa akin, okay lang din para at least may enough time ako doon na mag-acclimatize before tayo umakyat. So, like, about siguro 1 hour. Pagdating natin doon, about 1 hour and then saka tayo umakyat. So, pwede lang din yun, guys. And, wala na akong ibang binayaran. Ay, hindi, meron. Meron. So, ngayon, yung sa ating sasakyan pa Mount Fuji. Kung sa Tokyo kayo, pinakamadali talaga is yung sa may Shibuya. Meron doong mga buses na direct papunta sa Mount Fuji. Kung nandito kayo sa may Kawaguchiko banda, meron din yung station. Kaya lang, punuan yung sumasakay doon. Like, most of the time, like, standing na lang. So, yung recommended ko is pupunta kayo doon sa Mount Fuji station and then every hour yung schedule nila. Doon kayo sumakay. Hindi ako sure pero may nakita ako na vlog na from Mount Fuji station, dumadaan din sila sa Kawaguchiko station. So, pag nanggaling ka doon, medyo konti pa yung tao, makakaupo ka talaga. And then, pagdating sa Kawaguchiko station, doon na yung punuan. So, recommended doon kayo sa may Mount Fuji station. So, but for me, since nandito tayo sa Odawara, best option na may pinaka-konting transfer is pupunta tayo ng Yokohama. So, ngayon is magti-take tayo ng train to Yokohama. And then, guys, nag-book ako ng bus. Kasi yung bus, merong direct din from Yokohama to Mount Fuji Station, but once a day lang siya. At yung time slot niya is 7 in the morning. So, nag-book ako sa Wheeler na website. So, for this one, 7 a.m. yung bus, 3,500 yen yung binayaran ko. Medyo mahal din yung pamasahe talaga. So, nasa, Yokohama to 5th station. And, guys, yung susunod dito is, meron pang dalawa, but sa Lake Kawaguchiko na siya. So, in case, like, ma-miss nyo yung 7 a.m., meron pang dalawa na schedule. But, yun na yung mga schedule talaga from Yokohama. Kaya, early tayo ngayon, 4:21 na. Print ko na lang din siya, and then, pakita natin sa driver mamaya. But, guys, 4:22 na, so mag-prepare na ako. Punta na ako sa station para punta na tayo sa Yokohama. And, bigyan ko na lang kayo ng additional details pagdating natin doon. Masakit ba yung katawan ko? A little bit. Uminom lang ako ng alaksan kagabi. Kasi nga, di ba, parang nag-mini hike tayo kahapon. But okay lang. Carry lang guys. Carry, wala tayong choice. So, yun lang. See you guys doon. Yan ang ating get up for today. Medyo heavy yung bag kasi may extra water ako. But yung mga pabili naman, kaya lang. At least makasave tayo ng isang 500 ml na water. But anyway, ready na. Let's go. See you on Fuji. Guys, ito yung 4:57 in the morning. Ay, hindi. 4:32 in the morning. Madilim pa. Going to the station na tayo, guys. Bili lang tayo ng food. Ganito na lang. Ganito, bro. Breakfast.
Displayed in English.
Please touch the fare button. Search station name. Yokohama 990. Ticket. and get platform 6.
が転倒の原因となりますのでおやめください。
For Yokohama nakalagay na.
思わぬ事故の原因となりますので改札管理機上りエスカレーターです。手すりにおかかりの上。
おはようございます。今度の6番線の列車は4時57分発上野東京ライン。
Wait na lang natin. On time, guys. Exit muna tayo, guys. So, Yokohama na tayo and then going to bus stop 22. West exit dito. Southwest. Hindi ko makita yung south. West na West exit. West bus terminal. West exit. Then walk. Di ba dito? Ay. Bus stop 22, guys. Kung magbo-book kayo, nakalagay naman dun sa booking kung anong bus stop kayo. Kung need umakyat. Akyat o baba? Akyat? Sige, tara, akyat. May babaan sa kabila eh. Minsan pag nare-research ako, tinitingnan ko yung sa Google Map, yung street view niya. Kaya medyo familiar sa akin. Hanapin na natin yung bus stop 22. So, may bus stop 22. So, pagdating natin doon, liko lang tayo ng right. Medyo mabigat yung bag ko ah. Sige, mag-slow down lang tayo pag-akyat mamaya. Kasi medyo mabigat siya. Yung food at saka actually yung gadgets talaga to. Bus stop 21, 22, ayun. Lapang tao. Makakakain tayo. Kasi hindi tayo mahihiya. Lapang tao. Bus stop 22. Ito. Uy, walang English. Ayan na. Mount Fuji Station. So, 7 a.m. Kalagay naman. Bus stop 22. So guys, kain muna tayo ha. Nandito na tayo ng 6 a.m. Mas okay to kaysa yung nagmamadali tayo. Mas nakaka-stress kung like nagmamadali. So okay lang to. Eat muna ako guys. Off ka muna, then wait natin ha. Dito sa bus stop. Meron silang notice of apology. Nasobrahan daw yung singil nila doon sa isang pasahero. Tsaka nakaano siya ha. Nakalaminate. So kung ikaw yung pasaherong yun, magtawag lang daw dyan na number. Ba, amazing. Ano, tinan nyo. May bus na dito. Pero hindi pa ata. Because, ito muna. English?
English スイートナンバー 3A。
Okay. Thank you. Makakarating tayo na 9:40. So, update ko na lang kayo. Tapos ganun lang ko dati. Ito yung direct sa Mount Fuji.
ごごめん行きでございますが、まもなく発車いたしますので、シートベルトの着用お願いいたします。発車いたします。シートベルトの着用お願いします。じゃあね。じゃあね。
Fuji-Q Highland. So, kanto siya guys, parang theme park. Yung mga nag-date ng mga high school. So, may mga maingay din na Japanese pag nasa bus. Hindi lahat tahimik guys. Totoo yung sa mga anime na yung mga high school pumupunta-punta ng mga theme park para mag-date. Medyo nagka-traffic din kanina, no? Medyo natagalan. Like, may traffic siya. Kaya lang, nag-move din naman. Hindi talaga yung stop na stop. But guys, nakatulog ako. Ayan, Kawaguchiko Station na. Nakatulog ako.
Our next stop is Kawaguchiko Station.
Angkat na lang. Parating na tayo. Kawaguchiko Station guys. So pwede din kayo dito sumakay. Yung round trip ng pamasahe, if hindi ako nagkakamalat, is 3,000. Round trip yun. Then kung one way, 1,950. So pwede din kayo dito sumakay. Ayan, madami nakapila loob.
Kawaguchiko駅出発いたします。
Mga bag nila. Mount Fuji. Taas ng pila. Mga bag nila. Yan talaga yung risk dito kayo sasakay. Ang recommended kung malapit ka dito sa Mount Fuji Station. Gutom na ako. Magkain muna tayo ng lunch before tayo sa aakyat. Nagutom ako. Guys, I can only imagine kung gaano kaganda pag autumn season. Ang ganda eh. Ang ganda ng trees. Mga pine trees. Hindi ko nag-iiba talaga siya ng color pag autumn. Nice, nice, nice.
Riding the Fuji-Q Tomei Highway bus today. We look forward to Fuji-Qグループ富士五湖地区高速バスのご案内。名鉄バスセンター静岡駅。一部季節運行がござい静岡東部地区高速バスのご案内。東京駅、新宿、渋谷、成田空港線が
るものにご注意ください。また事故防止のためにバスが完全停車してからお席を立ちますね。次の横浜直行のバスは降りた場所と同じ場所からの出発となりますので、よろしくお願いいたします。
Huh? Yeah, Susala. You too? Okay. Bye. Magkasabayan ko sa bus, guys. Guys, malamig. Magbayad muna tayo. Bayad na tayo, guys. So, mag-acclimatize na tayo dito, guys. Ha? Hi, good morning.
One person?
Yes.
One day?
Overnight.
Every day? じゃあ、こちらに。
This one. Kamaiwa Kanto.
kamaiwaか。はい。ありがとうございます。じゃあ、4000円になります。6000円のお返しと。これはリュックのここにバックパック。
Okay.
これね。
Yoshida tree. Yeah. Okay.
はい、いってらっしゃい。
Thank you. Thank you. Wait lang. Nakabayad na tayo. So, balik muna tayo. Kain. Bili muna tayo ng ano, guys. Ng pole. Kain muna tayo. Gusto ko yung flag. Wait, ihi muna tayo, guys. Ihi muna tayo. Then, hanap tayo ng pagkainan. So, mag-stay tayo mga at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Ganun, guys. Ayun, ayun, ayun. How?
これと、
This one.
これと、
Okay.
1400。
This one.
No. 1400. 700.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll get this one.
Okay. Inside the air,
okay.
pay, okay.
Thank you.
Right there, okay.
Okay, thank you. Mahal kasi may flag. Wala, nakalimutan ko yung flag ng Pilipinas. So, ito yung para sa stamps. No.
1400円で。
English.
どうぞ。ありがとうございます。
Thank you. Okay guys, yun na tayo. So meron na tayo nito. And then food na lang. Ayun. Eat muna tayo ng food. Second floor. I'm lost. So guys, almost cash only sila. So ito yung prices guys.
Please wait. The ticket is not ready. Please take your ticket and
Paano tayo tatawagin? Ito guys, 17. Tinawag na ako. Tinawag na yung number. Makaiba. Amazing. Eat muna tayo before tayo Mount Fuji. 17 ang binayaran ko. Okay, let's eat. Itadakimasu.
Hi.
Okay. Exit guys. Sige, pila tayo. A minute. English? How do I?
Do you climb Mount Fuji today? No,
Yeah.
come back here.
No, overnight.
Overnight today. Climb Mount Fuji. Okay. Do you have a?
The Mount Fuji.
Okay, Mount Fuji. This is Yoshida. Check please. Koko check please. And this one check please. GPS moving.
Okay.
So, okay. Sometimes now is finished. Okay. So sometimes check please.
Okay.
And moving from top of Mount Fuji to come down here. So station 8. Station 8. We have a 2 route.
Okay.
This is Yoshida route, and
Yeah.
another route is Tsubashiri route. So
Okay.
if you make a mistake, so this apply around.
Okay.
Are you only one?
Yes, only one. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Hi, up.
Mag-stamp muna tayo guys. 25. Yay! Yun lang tayo guys. Explain lang nila. And wait lang. Kuhan ko muna ang aking hiking pole. But ready na tayo. Ready na to go. so happy. Sunblock na tayo guys. 10:54, 2674 steps, 1.21 yun nandito. Pwede na ba? Pwede na.
なんかこうちゃん富士山登ってすごいツッコミが冷たい。
Cute. Yes. So start na tayo guys. Cooling breeze guys. Tapos ayun nga. So si Mount Fuji siya lagi nagpapakita. So parang si Mount Apo din. Like ano talaga siya guys. Like Mount Apo na weather lang. Kanina mostly fogs din talaga. Most of the time foggy. Tapos yung 5th station na kanina. Kita niyo foggy siya. Ay, nagsasalita siya. Sakit. Volcano din siya. Same pa din ng Mount Apo. Last niya na putok is 1700s pa. But yeah, here we are. Ay, oo nga pala guys. Pwede ka rin mag-overnight dyan sa may 5th station. If halimbawa gusto mong mag-early na lang ng hike. 4-day hike. So pwede sa 5th station. Cool breeze. So parang wala tayong view for today. Puting-puti. Tabay to picture guys. Clear na siya konti. So pwede nyo yan lang guys, magpa-picture lang kayo. Then ulit na. Selfie lang tayo guys. Let's go. Ay. 11, 3993 and 2.85 kilometers. Okay. Minus nyo na lang. Ascend na siya guys. Yung kanina mostly flat lang. Or flat lang talaga. $11.33 5244 3.75 kilometers to station.
切勿着急上山或下山，可能会迷路或遭遇误食。高山病と思われる症状がある場合は、無理な登山はしないようにしましょう。グループで登山する場合、はぐれてしまわないよう飲み水は必ず確保しておきましょう。
Thank you. May toilet pero may bayad siya na 100. Let's take the rest na. 6th station. 11:39 5496 3.91 kilometers. Bakit? So ito na yung 6th station. Pumuna tayo guys. Binigay nila. Ito yung problema dito. May pumapasok na ba ito? May gaiter. Gaiter. Ewan ko paano pagpasa. Bibili na ako pero hindi ko makita kung saan ko nilagay. Tanggalin muna natin, tapos mag-rest muna tayo quickly. So, recommended yun guys pag aakit ka dito. Yung gaiter, whatever. Para hindi pumasok yung bato. Ito din yung nice pag nagsisolo ka guys. Hawak mo yung oras mo. 6 station. Then, 1 hour going to 7th station. 1 hour. Tagal-tagal to guys. Okay, let's go. Slowly lang. Hihinga rin kasi. Tsaka pag masyado ako mabilis, malakas yung tibok ng puso ko. Kaya parang magpambipitik sa ulo ko. So slowly lang tayo. Trail up mountain. Ito yung mga galing na sa summit guys. First glimpse ng mga mountain natin. Taas-taas pa guys. Dilim ako manisig sa ba. Grabe guys. Malapit na sa first mountain hut guys. Basta unti-untiin nyo lang. Kaya naman. Kaya. No choice. Overwhelming siya kung dito yung masakit. So pag hindi. Okay lang. Ito yung purpose na
Yeah, 5 bills, eh?
はい、ごめん、ちょうだい、500円、500円、500円、500円、500円。
5 bills first, eh?
500.
My light's on.
Short.
What? My light's on? Yeah.
ありがとう。
Arigatou gozaimasu. Wait, mine's not on. Is it inside? Oh, I think you both have. Oh, right. Yeah, because you ended up getting the smaller one.
Thank you.
スタンプ
115 and then 650, 6.7. First na, 19. Ito yun is 500 yen. Ang gusto nyo mag sa lahat. Yung malaki yung kunin nyo. Kaya lang hindi kasi yung magkasya sa baggage. So, pwede naman daw ipadala. Ang hassle. Tsaka, kung malaki kasi, gusto nyo punuin. Eh, ang problema, every stamp may price. Kaya, yung maliit lang kinuha natin. Ito siya. Ayusin na natin itong flag na to. Let's go. Dito na nag-rest yung iba. Katuhan na guys. tanggalin ko na yung gloves ko. Catch yung sunrise stamp. Kunin natin. Struggle ako. This one.
Okay, 300.
This. Thank you. Thank you. Yan. So, oh my God, it is 500 na. Kusuhan ka muna. Sunrise na. 2025. Kasi may 2025 siya. Ang lamig. Yay! 300 yen. Sunrise na. Then, ang CR dito guys is 200 yen na. Dapat may mga coins talaga kayong dala. Next. Pag sili na tayo magpapasta kasi mapupunod. Wala na tayong pang summit. So, bali yung sa hot ko and then summit. Yun na lang. Okay. Tapos kuha tayo ng isang 8 station kung may ibang bapas. Okay. Yan. Kit na ako. Oh my God. 143. 947. 6.6 kilometers guys. Yung sunod na na mountain hut yung sa atin guys. 145. Hindi na tayo magawa ng stamp dito guys. Kaya mapuno na ang ating stick. Okay. Let's go. Water is 500 yen.
Even for me, like, quite hard.
Trip ng araw guys. Matika. Relief. Station 159. 6.89 kilometers. Let's go. Tumayo ka na guys. Yung mountain hut ka na.
ここから山頂まで 1000m ございますので、心配な方、保険がてらお買い求めいただいて損はないと思います。
ありがとうございます。
Excuse me, where can I check in?
Oh, okay. Yeah, please come inside. Do I ask your name?
Giselle de la Cruz. Hello.
Giselle de la Cruz?
Yes.
One person, okay?
Yes.
Single Giselle de la Cruz. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. So please have a seat.
はい、ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
Thank you.
You can sit down. ありがとうございます。はい、ありがとうございます。
Thank you.
Have a seat.
you.
Hi, konnichiwa.
Hello. Thank you for coming to Kamaiwa-san. Is English okay?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm checking your name, Drusilla
De La Cruz. Yes.
For a single room for 1 people with the dinner.
Up.
And this is our present.
Thank you.
And this one is the coin cast.
Thank you.
And I want to check is the meat menu okay for the dinner?
Yes. Yes. Oh, is this mine already?
Yes.
Okay.
It's yours. So your payment is already done.
Yes.
And it's including the toilet use. So
Okay.
you don't have to pay for it.
Okay, alright.
And toilet is outside and go left at the entrance.
Okay.
There's a building, so you can use it.
Alright.
And over there is a toilet sandal for the
Okay.
toilet.
Mhm.
So if you want to go outside or like just seeing the view or taking a picture, please bring your shoes.
Okay.
And over there's the shop. You can buy souvenirs or food, drinks, and it opens until 12:30 at the midnight.
Okay.
And for the morning, 4 o'clock. It starts from 4 o'clock.
Okay.
I'm going to check your dinner time. So could you read this following? This is our house rule.
Okay. Extra hour on Fridays and so bawal ang alarm, guys. Okay, 30 minutes dinner time. 5 a.m. Okay, may changing rooms.
You can take it.
Okay. So, what time should I go?
Your dinner time will be 4:30.
Okay.
So when it is ready, we'll go to your room. And
okay.
And the dinner hall is left side. There's the room.
Okay.
Yeah. And any questions?
Like, can I check out like early in the evening later? Like,
Check out?
yeah.
Sure.
Should I just go out or should I inform?
Yeah, just tell. There's staff in the shop, 1 people. So just tell your name and room number.
Okay. Alright.
And are you going to see the sunrise on the top?
Yes. Yeah.
The recommended time will be 12. Yeah.
But I can earlier than that.
Okay.
Yeah. Earlier, like maybe 10:30 or 10. 10? Is it advisable or no?
Maybe it's too fast.
Okay.
At the top, it will be so cold and they're windy, so.
But I'm so slow. I'm slow climbing up.
Okay.
But it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. All right.
Whenever you want.
Okay.
Yeah. Take care.
Thank you.
Here is the weather forecast on the top. So if you want to check it, this one is like this morning's weather. So after 5 o'clock, it will be the new one. The tomorrow morning.
Okay. All right.
And here's this dressing room.
Okay.
The upside is your room.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Wow. Smells good. Oh my goodness. So bawal magpa-alarm, guys. Buti na. Yes. We survived. Oh my goodness. Very nice, guys. Maganda yung ambience sa kanilang magtinan. Siguro kung masyada kayong takot sa like masisikip, ito medyo kulit, guys. See? Pero at least hindi curtains yung pagkita. Okay na ako dito. Yun nga lang, naka-stairs. Oh my goodness, stairs. Bro, ano na, 216 na. Tapos, kailangan mo bumili ng additional water. Kasi, naubos yung water. Bigli ako ng water. Kasi nga, since baga tayo maalis mamaya, makaklose yung mga tindahan sa taas. Sa mga maintenance station. So, make sure natin na may dala tayo. Ouch. Sige guys, mag-prepare muna ako. Kasi ko muna kung bibili mo ang gamit ko. Tapos labas tayo. But, 2:23 4:30 na yung food. So, sige, bilisan natin mamaya. Just well strong. May electric pa. Ito yung light dito. Ayan. Uy, isang pa yan. Ito yung GPS nila. Sa Province Station. Tapos, nandito tayo sa 7th Station. Kamay mo ka. Diyan ka pa siya na mountain hunt. Yung bukas, medyo mahaba pa yung lalakarin natin. But, sige lang, snowden lang tayo. Hindi natin magmadali. Ito siya yung isang television na tingnan yung is nasa 2787 meter. Guys, ito yung tulugan. Nakaseparate na. Ayan, pwede din dyan kayo. Yan ang curtains yung pakita niya. Pero naka-change na ako. Change na underwear tsaka ng shirt. Yung pants ko yun yung gagamitin ko bukas. Napakalamig na. As in. Tapos ka na lang prepare. And then, mag-watch tayo na sunset. Charot. Okay guys, naka-change na tayo. So, labas muna tayo. Tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari doon. Mga di pa naman. So, may 1 hour 30 minutes pa before tayo kakain. So, labas muna tayo. Tingnan natin. Guys. Ito. Kumain. Ang busy ng mga tao. Medyo traffic na. Station sa Two bottled water.
2 water?
Yes.
1,200. はい、ありがとうございます。
Thank you. Ayan, prices. Let's go. English.
焼き4つで1000円です。
Just sell this one.
Just sell.
Yes. Okay, thank you. What fish? Dinner. Sulit ang bayad, guys. Kasi may curry dinner.
This one. I really heard that word. It's not.
諦めたセッションだったのが言ってるか滑落してる。
お上がりください。どうぞアクセント。
Japanese curry rice yung nakalagay. Pero yun full meal. Amazing. So mag-rest na tayo for tonight. And kasi early tayo tomorrow. Sunset. I'm not sure. Tingnan natin kung may sunset. But if not, patulog na tayo. Okay. Nasa likod yung sunset.
リュック受け取ってなるよね。もう体一つで。大広間でバーって雑魚寝のイメージやって。
Ganito talaga ang ating situation pag naka-shared room. Mahirapan ka talaga matulog. Buti na lang kanina maaga ako. Nakatulog ako kahit mga ilang minutes lang. Naka 1 hour pa. Hindi ko 1 hour. So kaya feeling ko hindi rin talaga tayo makakatulog. Kaya maaga tayo aalis tomorrow. Ganun talaga. Tapos guys, yung sa toothbrush mo lang. Bring your own water. Akala ko may water. Wala. Sayang yung 500 yen. Kung bibili ako ng tubig. Bukas na lang. Walang tubig. Bibilihin mo pa. Inaubos na yung dala ko ng tubig. Good night. Good night everyone. See you tomorrow. Guys, almost. Summit brush na yan. Grabe. Na-feel ko talaga yung altitude kanina.